So you might have heard that legacy news outlets are trying to sue the big spooky AI again, but here's some pieces they're not actually telling you about. So yeah, they're suing OpenAI, claiming, oh, you used our articles without our permission to train your AI. But there's more nuance to it than that. You can't just broadly avoid really critical details. One of the things they're leaving out is good old fair use. Large-scale, publicly available data is okay to be used for transformative purposes. It's nothing new. And I personally am all about charging money for your services or your skills or your products. AI is not out here reposting the exact blog article. It is taking in information, synthesizing it, and creating something else in an accessible manner. Oh, David, that's not the argument. Let me tell you the argument, okay? So yeah, there's the argument of paywalls versus public access. And again, all about charging for your content. But you are New York Times. There is a part where your own literacy becomes relevant. So if you need to learn how to make your website secure so that your paywall content doesn't get read by a regular bot or anyone with a little bit of programming knowledge, it's time to do that. I'm not saying that when someone's bike gets stolen because it's in their front yard, it's their fault. But also if you live in the hood, bro, lock up your bike. And on the topic of turf wars, I mean, like, I understand you gotta protect what you're doing, but you're using AI too to do the same thing. So you just don't want the little guy to have access to the tools you're using? Copyright law is important to talk about. It should be discussed. People shouldn't steal shit. You also can't just on purpose make something seem bad so that you get to use it and benefit from it while you try to prevent anyone else from doing it. As a final note on this matter, got anything to say about this? That's it? Nothing else? You tell them how you really feel.